In Moerewa, he Iwi Kotahi Tatou is the one-stop shop. It's the place where you would come to if you need services. It's the place where you would come to, in particular, in my department, is food rescue, whakaora kai. It is the place, the hub, that everyone comes to twice a week, every Tuesday, Friday, 1 p.m.
It's in the name itself. It doesn't matter who walks in here, they're all whānau. What I love about the organisation is they're for the community and whānau, and the kaimahi, all of us here have the same goal, and it's just for the betterment of Moerewa.
Because we are the community. We're all from here. Even though we work here, that doesn't mean we're any better than the people that we help. We help with small things and we help with big things. So Iwi Kotahi Tatou Trust have the justice system, we help with AOD, we help with social services. So we help a broad range of people in our community.
I think it makes a big difference. We've had kaimahi come in that don't whakapapa here, and they've found it hard to connect with our whānau. Whakapapa's a big thing, because when you make the whakapapa connection with our whānau, it establishes trust with them, and that's what we've known as the most important thing to establish with our whānau, is that trust. And if we don't have the trust, we're not going to get much further with them, and they're just going to tell us the fluffy things that they think we want to hear, and not their deep struggles or things they really need help with.
It's important that our organisation is working with our community, because we know our community, we know what's good for Moerewa and what's not good for Moerewa, and we know that if there are changes that need to be made, we along our side, our whānau, our community of Moerewa, need to make that, because it comes from the voices of our community.
I can't see our community without He Iwi Kotahi Tatou Trust. It rolls out a lot of amazing projects. Without He Iwi, there'll be a void, there will be a gap in Moerewa, because we're very staunchly for Moerewa. What I know that it's been, He Iwi Kotahi Tatou Trust has been here for 30 years. I'm not sure how much staff they've employed, but I think the main point is that they've created this to support all of our whānau in our area. And they've still very much got their foot in it. I think they'll always have a finger in He Iwi Kotahi Tatou Trust until their last breath, just helping us and guiding our staff, moving closer towards the vision that they've always had. That's always been supporting whānau.
Deb and Ngahau just want Moerewa to do better, to be better, and I think that's what we want moving forward. We want to always be here for our whānau, to be a place where they can come and get information and get supports that they can't get anywhere else. That's what we want for He Iwi, to be here for a long time to come and continue to support our whānau.
To create a foundation that we can only build on and build out, and that it will last for another 100, 200 years. So what would I say if I could to them on behalf of this community? Thank you for everything that they give back to this community. And it is indicative of who they are, not to be interviewed. They're humble people. They're the people that you walk past at the Foursquare. They're the people that you walk past across the road. They're the people that you go and get a fish and chips next to. That's how humble they are. So yeah, thank you.